Rich, Tennessee Homestead. How in the heck are you today? Listen, I hadn't gotten that last one up for that Priefert equipment. Give you the factory tour. If you're all interested in that, then I've got that coming up right now. And hopefully you enjoy it. Good equipment. I've used it a lot. Holds up well. It really does. And you don't have to worry about it getting all rusted up as quick because they definitely put a good coating job on them. So take a look. And if nothing else, the girl that gives you the tour of the factory, she's just cute as a bug. Okay? So I know you ladies may not be interested in that, but yeah, she's cute as a bug. Alrighty, anyway. Let me get this going for you.
Hi, and welcome to Priefert Manufacturing. We're proud to produce America's #1 name in farm, ranch, and rodeo equipment right here in beautiful Mount Pleasant, Texas. Come on in and let's take a look around. We'll start today's tour in our main office. In this area, we pay tribute to our founder, Marvin Priefert, and to the original piece of equipment that started it all, Marvin's headgate prototype from 1964. Marvin instilled a lot of important values in our company that we still adhere to today, including innovation and vertical integration. In this area, you'll also find some of the machines that helped found our company. Each one was built by Marvin for use in his shop. Today, they're painted according to the color of the original tractor or implement to which they belonged. Priefert employs a full team of engineers and machinists. Our engineers don't just design the products that we build, but they often design the machines that help us build them. Our machine shop helps bring those designs to life, and they help us keep our plant running full steam ahead. No one else in the industry buys steel the way that Priefert does. We begin with master coils of steel, some weighing up to 50,000 pounds apiece. We then process these coils according to our needs. We can create slit coils on our slitter or sheet steel on our blanking line. This vertical integration gives us complete control over our timeline and, most importantly, over our quality. Continuing with our vertical integration, let's take a look at one of our high-speed tube mills. Slit coil is brought to the mill to be processed into tubing. And while all of our tubing begins as round, our mills allow us to create a wide variety of shapes, including square tubing, D-shaped tubing, and even our trademark quadriform tubing. Again, processing our own tube gives us complete quality control, while also ensuring a consistent tube for the use in the production of our products. After leaving the mill, tubing is stored in one of our bridge crane storage bays. This high-tech storage helps us to maximize our floor space and also helps us keep track of our inventory until tubing is called for by one of our welding stations. Here's where our products really begin to take shape. Priefert employs a multitude of welders. They help bring our engineers' designs into reality. Each of our expert welders is trained to adhere to our strict quality standards, and jigs are used at the welding stations to ensure consistency of product. Apart from our individual welding stations, Priefert also has 2 welding carousels. On these lines, welders work in teams, assembly line style, to create panels and gates. Priefert's also home to a few welding robots. Just as Marvin built much of the equipment for his original shop, these robots were designed and built in-house by Priefert to meet our specific needs. This cutting-edge technology allows us to increase the speed and efficiency with which we produce some of our highest volume items, all without compromising on quality. The innovation continues with our automated storage and retrieval systems. Much like our bridge crane storage bays, these units help us maximize floor space and track our inventory. These ASRS systems can be used to store small parts and even welded goods waiting to go to powder coat. has the best powder coat in the industry. How can I say it's the best? We've never been beaten in independent powder coating tests. We achieve this by using a top quality powder and also by taking additional steps in our metal preparation to make sure that we get proper powder adhesion. While I can't share the secrets to our metal prep, we can take a look inside our powder room. Powder is applied electrostatically. Basically, that means that the powder has a positive charge and we give the metal a negative charge. And then bam, opposites attract, just like magnets. But anytime you have two pieces of metal near one another, you're bringing like charges together. In powder coat, we call this area a Faraday cage. And just like magnets with the same charge can push each other apart, a Faraday cage can push powder out, making it difficult to get the proper coverage in recesses or around corners. To ensure that we get the proper coverage every time, we manually spray any possible Faraday cages on our equipment as it both enters and exits our powder booth. Our powder coat finish is then baked on and checked for quality to make sure we get the right coverage every time. For larger items with lots of moving parts and lots of possible Faraday cages, we dip paint. While we powder coat in a variety of colors, we dip paint in only one, blue. When Marvin started dip painting his product in the late 60s, he conducted tests on the available tractor and implement paints of the day. Turns out the one that gave him the best quality finish was blue. Today, that blue paint color is our signature color and has become synonymous with the name Priefert. The final step in our production process is an area we call Make Ready. As its name suggests, this is where our products are made ready to be shipped out and used by you. Product assembly is completed, and each product is quality tested before receiving its Priefert decals. Then and only then is it shipped out to our authorized dealer network, which not only extends coast to coast here in the U.S., but also into a variety of countries around the globe. As you can see, things have changed quite a bit since Marvin invented that first headgate. We've been blessed with tremendous growth, and we've got to witness some amazing technological advancements. But one thing is still the same. We're a family-owned and operated company that's proud to make a quality, American-made product. For more information about our equipment, or to find out more about the Priefert story, visit us online at priefert.com.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, that's about the last one of them I've got on their equipment. They come out with something new, I'll pass it along to you. But good equipment, they are not a sponsor. Okay, let me make that clear. Y'all have a great day. We'll talk to you real soon.